With our corporate CSR event, Build a Band, your group has the exclusive opportunity to bring the positive power of music to young people in your community. High-quality instruments are needed for teens in schools and youth organizations. With Build a Band, your group will build high-quality guitars, bass guitars, and drum sets from instrument kits custom designed for best corporate events, complete with instruction manuals to be donated to youth-serving agencies and organizations and school music programs that are in need of instruments. This innovative program incorporates our fun, high-tech brainstorm activity, featuring team questions, photo activities, and time video challenges that enable teams to earn the parts necessary to assemble the guitars, bass guitars, and drum sets. Throughout the brainstorm program, participants will be capturing photos and videos of each other in action. As teams gain points through brainstorm challenges, they'll be rewarded with trips to our music store to obtain the parts needed for the assembly. During assembly, our expert roadies will circulate to ensure the instruments are built to precise specifications. Depending on the allotted time, each team can create a band name, design a drum head with a band logo, and decorate a special guitar case to reflect the unique personality of their band. The kits also include a tuner, audio cable, guitar straps, picks, and even a personal amplifier. Once all the instruments are built, don't be surprised if a spontaneous jam session and photo op break out. So, let's rock and roll to build a band for the future musicians of America, who will never forget your wonderful gift to their school or organization.